Good guys, you met Aries Tao here. Welcome back to the Godox Basic Lighting 101. One of the most frequent asked questions I've ever got is, what's AD1200 for? Let's put it this way, AD1200 is not for everyone. You can solve most of your portrait problems by AD300Pro, AD400Pro, or AD600Pro. To me personally, I find AD1200 comes really handy in the next two scenarios. Number one is create your own sound. AD300Pro and AD600Pro comes really handy when you want to lit up your subject as a key light or face light. But AD1200 is something else. Because with the harsh sunlight created by the AD1200Pro, it's very high contrast, which means the highlight is really hot, the shadow is really dark. For close-up, I prefer less contrast. In another word, brighten up the shadow so that the model skin looks even nicer. That's where AD300Pro comes handy with the umbrella as the fill lights. For more information on how to use AD300Pro with umbrella, please check my previous episode. Here is another typical example. You see the building up there? It's going to always block the sun, so I will never have the sun cut some nice shadows over this wall as the way I envision it. But with AD1200Pro, you can create the sun. You see here is a nice, really nice corner, right? But over there, it's just a blank wall. I either shoot with a natural light, which is very soft, nice light anyway, or I can create my own dramatic sound with AD1200Pro right next to the wall. So basically, you can create your own ambient light wherever you like. That's the power of AD1200Pro.
AD1200Pro can mimic the sun anytime. You can mimic the sunset, and of course by placing the AD1200Pro overhead, you can mimic high noon sun, casting strong shadows overhead.
Another typical example is overpower the ambient. With AD600, we can easily overpower the sound already. But what if you need high-speed sync and you need to overpower the sound at the same time? The flash system sacrifices some lights to achieve high-speed sync. But with AD1200, you can achieve high-speed sync and still have lots of power to use. In this scenario, I mimic a patch of sunset and I use high-speed sync at the same time, which is at 1 out of 2000 seconds, so that we can do some movement photos. To conclude this video, there are two cases you need AD1200Pro. Scenario 1, you need AD1200Pro to change the lighting dynamics within the image, not only on the model, but also on every single subject within that photo. Number 2, you want to use high-speed sync, and also you want to overpower the ambient light with dramatic lighting at the same time. That's where AD1200Pro comes handy. I hope you guys liked the video. This is your mate Aries Tao. I will see you guys in the next episode.